This is a Vince Marino Plumbing LLC. Today is August 14th. I'm back at a property where I believe rats have nibbled through the Ferncos. So you can see that this was replaced. And they chewed everything. You gotta get all this stuff out of here. This is one of the Ferncos that the rat ate. Whatever's eating these, they ate through it. They nibbled through the Ferncos. So we're gonna have to, and did they chew the pipe? What do you think? All right, you're gonna have to get this dishwasher out of here, watch. And I'm not gonna put these Ferncos here no more.
Well, I bought them all. They're all sitting there.
I'm not gonna put them. I'm gonna buy shielded ones with metal around them. So the metal, you understand?
Yeah.
And that's what we're gonna use here. So number one, you have to get this out of here. That one up there's a vent. Where's the one below here? Can this go back?
No, it's stuck there.
What's stuck? Can you get it out of here? I'm not gonna move this stuff. You need to get the electric out of here. Get this dishwasher out of here. I need room to work. And if your guy can lift this off, or no. So I can redo all this.
There's also a connection down from downstairs.
Let's see the connection downstairs.
Well, it's you got we just plastered it, so we got to cut a hole.
Well, you got to open it. It can't do anything today. I want you to get all that. You shouldn't have plastered the ceiling with this kind of stuff. I was here twice already.
No, I didn't put anything in. We were working. Everything was functioning. Then we plastered it, thinking everything was going to be okay.
That's not going to be okay. You should have took. You should have. Let me take this again here. What I'm going to get, you get the ceiling opened. I'll get 1, 2, 3. Get this out of here. I need room to work. And I'll use the shielded ones, but did they nibble the pipe? They nibbled the pipe too.
I don't think.
Sure they did. The one piece of pipe's nibbled under the kitchen sink. See the pipe there's nibbled?
Which one?
Right there, you see they nibbled the pipe?
I can't see it.
It's,
No,
this is bent.
No, let's pull that out of it, please.
This is nibbled. These are the ones I put.
No, this is just a little extension I put. This is nothing. This wasn't even there.
They nibbled it. They nibbled it. You see the teeth mark? You shouldn't be touching that stuff too. You can get rabies. All right, we'll get a coupling. We're going to repipe this solid. I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 shielded. Open the ceiling downstairs for me. This is the bathroom sink. And let me take these. This is the Fernco. The reason they do that is to get in for water. So they go through this smallest thing. And they nibble the rubber to drink the water because they hear the water. Rats. You find any rat holes? You see anything?
There's a chase through the middle of the house. They're coming out of the basement.
Oh, that's the problem. You got to fix that first before you do anything
No,
here.
it's a chase.
Well,
It's just a natural thing where all the pipes come up.
You're going to have to put something down there. I'm not going to you keep fixing these pipes. They're going to keep leaking. They're going to nibble the pipe. You can't just keep, that has to be resolved. Show me downstairs where this chase is.
That's on the first floor. It's It's the apartment. It's the apartment. I don't know if we can get in there.
No, in the basement. Can you see the Chase?
Oh, the basement.
Did you put any rat poison, anything down there?
Yes, I've been using rat poison. I just, we didn't get enough
They
up
make
here.
the bait traps where they go in and they die. They close they die in a trap. You get any of those?
They don't have them for rats. They have them for mice.
No, they're for rats. I told you to call the company I give you. They have them.
All right.
They put them outside.
Didn't give me that company yet.
Hall's Pest Control. The Home Depot has them, but
Just
they.
a minute, Carl. Home Depot has great.
You have to get that those traps around the property. You leaving the door. We go outside then.
Yeah.
You leaving the door open isn't going to help. But you do what you want. But this is the third. I think the third time I'm here. Second time. When did this start happening?
Well, about a month ago.
What occurred that changed? That you had this door open before, right? Okay, this is the basement. This place is 300 building. What occurred that prior to this it wasn't happening? What did those people do?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay, so you have this basement open here. You know, you got to watch these things don't bite your tenants. I don't want to be talking about, but where is the Chase that you see? Where's the Chase?
I'm looking for it here.
They sell those things where you plug in, they make a low frequency noise. You plug them in the outlets down here and keeps them away. You ought to get a couple of those.
So, right here's the bathroom here. Right in here somewhere.
Here it is, right here. Here it is. But this is closed off.
Yeah, that's the Chase right there.
But it's closed off. It's closed off.
Well, right above there, there was a hole.
Where?
Right.
Watch yourself. I can't see. I got to get in where you're at. There's no hole there.
I put it. There's a panel that it was open, and I put it back in.
What about here? If you leave the door open, here's another one here now. If you leave the basement door open, you're going to get the rats no matter what. You're leaving the property open, that's what's going to happen. What I recommend you do, till you call the pest control, get those things you plug in, they put a frequency out. You can't hear them, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's all I can tell you. And put some rat traps. You're gonna have to call the exterminator, because I'll get the shielded Ferncos. I can't come back today. You got to get the dishwasher out. You can't leave people in there. This is Vince Marino. I'm gonna terminate the video for today, and when I come back to do the fix, I'll have more footage. Okay, I'm back here at the rodent infestation. As you can see, they chewed down in here. They ate the pipe connectors. So something was coming up here and chewing on this shit. But okay, we got the connector. You can see the Ferncos. This guy was really idiot. Yeah, rats got in here somehow and they ate the Fernco. He broke the water line, cut it, and I have to connect this crap. So I don't know how we're gonna do it. I gotta see if I can get in here to loosen this with it's plastic with a Ferncos wrench. Flexible.
Here's the kitchen. The common room right now. Nice space though. And here's the bathroom. Yeah, what do you think? We're gonna get some cleaning supplies, do a little bit more of a deep clean, then we're gonna do more furniture, we're gonna DJ or IKEA.
He's renting the apartment out and there's rats in there, you believe us? Okay. Flexible nut driver. This is actually galvanized. I don't know what they have here. Vents. As you can see, they pretty big rat to chew through there. And I gotta get on and find a friend. I'll be back. Okay, so what I'm going to put here is a 2-inch shielded Fernco with a bushing. The line to the left is the drain. I believe these are vents. This is screwed up plumbing, so I have to come back to cut this vent here to reconnect it down into there. It's below the floor. I think something happened here. They raised the ceiling. And this will be the vent for the kitchen here and the sink. And the drain will be connected to that. It's a real joy rig. Okay. So this is the situation here. Now I have a funny feeling these things are going to come back here. This is the third time, excuse me. This is more extreme. They got in here below the floor. Last time was above. I think the previous tenant was dirty. They had a lot of cat food, dog food, stuff like that. Okay, so we're gonna come up here and come up in there for the kitchen drain somehow, some way. And under here there was a Ferncos. So what I'm gonna do is take this off, put a shielded one. And hope for the best. This plumbing was done by somebody other than myself. It's a wreck. I'm just making it work. I think they're gonna come back and end up chewing the plastic next. We're gonna just put a piece in there with a new elbow instead of patching all this crap. So it's halfway decent. tight end, huh? I think. He wants to tell me what I have to do. A boiler install. He said he did the EDR, an estimate of a boiler. But anyway, that's not here right now. You get these people, they want to tell you out there they know more than you, you know. You want to avoid that kind of stuff. Get a tape here. Hello, can I help you?
Hey Vince, it's Chuck Carson.
Yeah.
I measured the water heater. It's like 51 inches.
51.
Yeah.
All right, I'll get a short. That's a short.
Well, if you say so.
No problem. Thanks.
Hello?
This is Vince Marino. Listen, I'm on a job. I'll call you in about an hour or so. This is the drain coming through. We're going to connect that in down here and wrap this up. I couldn't fit the 3-footer in here. So we're gonna do this. She wants to tell me what to do, the woman I was talking to. You believe it? These rats must have been very big to have done this, or hungry. Why they come up to the 3rd floor unit here in this building, I don't know. But the flickering. Of my light. Now let's see here. As you can see what I'm doing here, this is a real joy rig. I'm just going to use this for a guide. Almost through here. I dropped the fitting down there. Miss. Hey, miss. Hello. think we're okay with everything here. Now they're going to have use of their bathroom and kitchen sink. Rats got to this plumbing, you see? They got nice fall, nice and nice. Other than that, we're in good shape. That's good. Ain't gonna die. Okay, so that's the repair. Now what I want to do here another day is cut this vent and put a 2.5 T in here, and I don't know what the hell we're gonna do here. Cut that off and cap it, I guess. I don't know. And reconnect into that sucker blower. These are the connectors the rat chewed through. The rats are rats, okay? They nibble through this. This is good thick rubber. You can see how they chewed it. And that's all to get to the water. For what reason? I don't know. They could have gone downstairs in the basement. They could have went in the basement to get this water, but we're gonna work on the water next here. So they have facilities. I'll get back to you. Okay, we're gonna take some action here. Footage of real plumber soldering the way it was. I prefer the soldering. I didn't do this repair with the shark bite. And I think this is more professional. Welders are still welding. Plumbers should be soldering. Welders are not using glue. And that's the way it is. Okay. So we're gonna let this cool. And they don't make this paste no more. This is SOS. I bought a case of this. I have a lot left. Ringless odorless flux, made in Pennsylvania. They used to make plumber's putty. They went out of business. I think I mentioned this before. Because of the politicians with COVID. There was a beautiful flux. Cleaned. And this was done by the owner. He cut the floor yesterday. Cut the pipe too. So the drain line's repaired. I put a shielded Ferncos in a drain. And hopefully everything's gonna be okay. Until the next adventure, I'll have more footage of the vent here when I come back. Okay, we got the water back on in this rat hole, I call it. Tenants were moving in here, believe it or not. So the water line's fixed, the kitchen's back to order. And we're off to see the wizard. Okay, so I'm going to conclude this, and I'll have more of the rat hole fix. Okay, today is August 17th. I'm back at the rat hole. I'm going to connect that vent up to here in the sink. We're going to cut this piece of 2-inch shot and just use the 2.5 T, short piece in a 90. Okay. It smells like dog down here. That spray is pretty good. What I want you to do is this.
What's that?
I'll show you. I'm going to cut this galvanized
Yeah.
below the floor, you know, and reconnect into here.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to put that vent into that galvanized.
Okay.
Then what I want you to do is they sell this stuff because I don't want to make this more than what it is. The 1.5-inch pipe will go in there. It's called Flex Seal.
Yeah.
Spray that right up under that T when you fix the floor, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I got it.
They didn't have anything in there, so let me get started here. I'm going to connect this and we'll get the heck out.
Alright.
I've used that numbers of times, it works.
I might even have some around. Well,
If you have it, then I'll put it in.
no, I'm just gonna have to look for it. I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's called Flex Seal. It's black. They make a clear one too that really works good. Is there a window open here? No, it's okay. Let me just... Hey, Jim. Jim. Hello? You want to take a piece of this cardboard down to the next unit? and put it on the floor just in case something falls. In the bathroom. Did he hear me?
Yeah.
Take a piece of this cardboard and put it down in the bathroom below. On top of the sink or the floor, you know. Just in case. The rat that was in here was eating everything, the water supply for the dishwasher. He was nibbling on everything. Oh, fuck. It's loose. Oh, Jim. Hey, Jim. Go downstairs and put the cardboard like I told you. This pipe is sliding down. It's sliding down. We got to push it up. I need the ladder down there. Put the cardboard. You need the ladder. This is sliding down. Let's go. Get that elbow off under the cardboard. Oh, fuck. You see this pipe? It's sliding down. Put the cardboard down. I need the ladder to push it up. You have the ladder there?
No, it's not here.
Well, you're going to have to get it.
Sir.
Because I have to come down there and push this up and tie something here with a screw. Let me get on, get some band iron. You have a piece of 2x4 or something? I'll push it up and strap the band iron there. We'll get back to here shortly. Okay, we're running some problems here in the rat trap, the rat hole. This vent is disconnected, so I had to put a temporary support. We're gonna have to take this out and put a new vent through. I'll get back. Okay, we went with an auto vent. The owner doesn't want to do the vent work. It's not beyond my decision. He don't want to do it right. Apparently somebody remodeled the bathroom and the galvanized was disconnected and never took it out. So this is the conclusion of the Until the next adventure. This is Vince Marino Plumbing LLC in Pittsburgh. Here's another look at the rats, how they chewed the Ferncos, and there's a better view over here. They nibbled through this to get to the water. You can see this was repaired before me several times. This vent was the one that disconnected, but rodents can give you plumbing problems too. Okay, until the next adventure.